Okay, so this video is for when you have a suction. This hose was sucked up like this, like it was suctioning. If you see your hose like that, I was told it was going to be the fuel pump, the water pump. It was going to be the radiator. I was told it was going to be the reserve. And I checked all this. So then I watched another video on YouTube where the guy cleaned up all this hose because he thought that's what the problem was. But then he took off the cap and it looked a little like this, right? So it looks pretty old and wore out to me. So I went ahead and bought this one from AutoZone. This one was a $17 one. There's another one a little cheaper, like $14. But this one, you know, it's a little fancier, I guess. So I'm gonna run the car, and I'm gonna come back and see if this hose stays like that. If not, it might be the water pump. But let's hope that it was just this cap. So I ran it for. This is the next day. I ran it for about 30 miles, 35 miles. And the hose is good, and everything's running fine. So before you go ahead and get told that you need a new water pump, new fans, and everything, please just check the cap.